students, welcome in Advait Education channel. Today we are going to solve practice set 41, in that question number 5. So let us start. Question number 5 is fill in the blanks in the table. Here one table is given. In that table principal, rate of interest, time, interest and amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there, and you can find out the fill in the blanks. Here in first question you can find out the interest and amount. Second question you can find out the principal and amount. So we can solve one by one. In first question, P is given 4200, R is given 7%, T is given 3 years, and you can find out the value of I and A. Formula: I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. L of I is 4200 multiply by 7 multiply by 3 upon 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Now what is remaining? 42 multiply by 7 multiply by 3. And their multiplication is 882 rupees. This is value of I. Now find the value of A. A is equal to P plus I. P is 4200 plus value of I is 882. Addition is 582 rupees. This A is equal to 582 rupees. Now next, second question, find the value of P. R is given 6%, T is given 4 years, I is given 1200 rupees, and you can find the value of A. Same formula, I is equal to PRT upon 100. I is 1200 is equal to value of P is not given, P as it is, multiply by R 6T4 upon 100. Now 1200 multiply by 100 upon 6 into 4 is equal to P. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, this 2 0 as it is again. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, this 1 0 as it is. Means 50, P is equal to 50 multiply by 100 means P is equal to 5000. Similarly, find the value of A. A is equal to P plus I. P is 5000 plus I is given 1200, and their addition is 6200 rupees. Next, third question, P is 8000, R is equal to 5. You can find the value of T. I is equal to 800 and A is equal to question mark. You can find the value of T and I. Same formula, I is equal to PRT upon 100. Now put the values. I is 800 is equal to 8000 multiply by 5 multiply by T upon 100. Here 0 0 0 0 get cancelled. Now 800 upon 80 multiply by 5 is equal to T. 800 upon 80 multiply by 5, 400 is equal to T. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Means T is equal to 2 years. T is equal to 2 years. Now find the value of A. P is 8000 plus I is 800. 8000 plus 800 is 8800 rupees. Next, fourth question. You can find the value of P. R is given 5. Find the value of T. I is given 6,000 and A is given 18,000. First, we will use the formula amount. A is equal to P plus I. Using this formula, we will find the first value of P. Amount is given 18,000. 18,000 is equal to P plus I is 6,000. Means 18,000 minus 6,000 is equal to P. 18,000 minus 6,000 means 12,000. P is equal to 12,000 rupees. Principal is 12,000 rupees. Now, I is equal to PRT upon 100. From using this formula, we will find the value of T. I is given 6,000 is equal to P is 12,000 multiplied by 5 into T upon 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Now, 6,000 is equal to 120 multiplied by 5 into T. 6,000 is equal to 120 multiplied by 5 is 600 into T. Now T is equal to 6,000 upon 600. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6 and 6 tens are 60. Means T is equal to 10 years. Question number 5. In 5, you can find the value of P. R is equal to 2 and half. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Means 5 upon 2. T is equal to 5. I is equal to 2,400. And find A. First, we will use this formula. I is equal to PRT upon 100. I is given 2,400 is equal to P into 5 upon 2 into T is 5 upon 100. 2,400 multiplied by 100 is equal to P into 5 5s are 25 upon 2. 2,400 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 25 अपॉन 2 वो इज इक्वल टू साइन के अपोजिट साइड जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा 2 अपॉन 25 इज इक्वल टू P. 25 वन जा 25, 25 4 जा 100 मीन्स 2,400 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 टू जा 8 इज इक्वल टू P. मीन्स P इज इक्वल टू 2,400 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 is 19,200 rupees. Principal is 19,200 rupees. Now we will find the value of A. A is equal to P plus I. Value of P is 19,200 plus value of I is 2,400. And their addition is 21,600 rupees. And at the end you can make this table and put all the values. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.